Now in case if you are trying to disable Find My iPhone, and if you see the option is grayed out or disabled, then what you do is go to settings at first, go to this option Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone. After that, here there is an option Stolen Device Protection. Select it and disable this option. So once it is disabled, again open settings, go to the name at the top here, go to Find My iPhone. Now in this case you can see the option is again enabled. So disable this option Find My iPhone. You have to enter the password of your Apple ID, turn off, and you can see Find My iPhone is now turned off. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.